everybody, welcome back to Stacey's Toy Channel. So today I got l.o.l surprise mini sweets and I'm so excited to open this up. It looks really cute. I like the packaging. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I think I got a Hershey l.o.l. She's so cute! Oh, she's adorable! Okay, let's see what else. Oh, gotta open this one. Oh, her little cute little skirt. Here comes my kitty! Hi, kitty! She must be part of the video. What's in here? I'll find out. Let's see. Here's the stand. Let's see what's in this one. I got a Hershey shirt. Well, let's see what's in number one, but I don't have to open it. Look at it. You just pull it out like this. I got one pair of shoe out. I got a Hershey dress. Oh, that's so cute. So I got a skirt and I got the shirt. But I think I like the Hershey dress the best. So adorable. And I got a Hershey bag. Found the other shoe. So I'm going to choose which outfit. I'm going to put this outfit on because I think it's adorable. But the skirt looks cute. I'm going to try the skirt on and the top on and this one, the dress. And you guys tell me which outfit that you like the best. Alright guys, here is her first outfit. She is so adorable. I like her cute little skirt, her shirt. What do you guys think? Next, I'm going to put on her dress. Here's the second outfit. I prefer this one because it's so adorable. It has a little bow right there. And it's so cute. And here's her bag, which I like. So adorable. I love it. So cute. So I'm going to show you guys the checklist. And I got this one right here. Let's see, next time I would love to get is, I do like this girl right here, the Peeps, and this one. And I'll show you the rest of the stuff right here. I've got the bottle, I got the skirt, and I got the shirt, and I got a cute sticker. So comment down below, let me know what you think of the l.o.l mini sweets, and I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I hope everybody has a great day or night. Remember guys, always be kind. Bye bye.